Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? How are you all? Okay, what is day today? Yes, very good. Today is Monday. Which activity we are doing today? Letter H. Okay, what is the sound of H? Muzaffar, what is the sound of H? Helicopter hovering. Ha. Ha is the sound of H. What we are sticking? What we are sticking? Hat. Now stick the hats, everyone. Stick the hats. Yes. Stick the hats. Finished, Naira? Very good. Sticking, Zoya? Stick, very good. Stick, Muzaffar? Amin, yes. Arman, stick. Finish? Amin? Arish, finish? Stick properly, Arish. ठीक से stick करो उसको. Ayan, finish? Say Ayan. Ayan. Yes, very good. Clap everyone.